Hello guys, how are you guys doing today? It's me Grincy Gandhi and welcome back to another ICTV video. In today's video, I am going to do one brand makeup challenge, and for that I have chosen one of my favorite brand, and it is none other than Sugar Cosmetic. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I have come up with a new idea with a new makeup tutorial on my YouTube channel. So guys, that link I will put in my bio. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Till then, stay safe. Bye bye.